So in today's game, we will play the naval battle and we will use the Leopard destroyer. So it is a German destroyer that we are going to use against the enemy forces. Just select it. Okay, we have to spend on the research. Let us start with the destroyer controller basics. Let us start. Any naval vessel can be stopped by pressing B. Okay.
Action stations, man your posts.
Press space to continue. Your first target is a motionless boat. You have to lock. Okay. You have to lock with this. Lock with the center button of your mouse. The target is destroyed. Next will be okay. So first we have to use L shift to use the binoculars. L shift, left shift you have to use. Then use the scroll button to scroll and zoom in. Then you have to lock the target. Can use Q to launch torpedoes. Left control plus E. Then you can use the Q button. It's not working right now. So we are rotating through the different guns on the ship. Control E, Control E again. I think the ammo is extinguished. Q. O is also not working. Space. So how to go about Control E. Okay. Let us use O. Space. Q. Torpedoes are not working. Let us press E. Control E. Control E. Okay. So this ammo is not working. So I think I will stop the video. You have got a good idea how the controls work. Q is used to aim for the torpedoes, and then space is to launch the torpedoes. That's it. So I will stop the video here.